Alright, y'all, I got a new buddy heater. Cause the other day I went out, found out that this hose, with the quick connect, leaks propane. So she went ahead and ordered one. I was gonna say cancel, but then it's good to have one as backup. So let's see if it has the same issue. I'll be back right after I open this case up. All right, here you have it. Brand spanking new. The only difference I could tell is these new ones, way lighter. This is like heavy as fuck. I think they're using lithium batteries now. But okay, be right back once I get it hooked up. All right, got it hooked up right there. That's the quick connect. All right, try to turn that on, see what happens. First, I gotta put the phone on the mount. Be right back. All right, I got propane set up. Let's see if it even works first. Yep, starts right up. Ooh. Damn, pretty nice. Now we see if there's any leakage. There it is. No leak, but ooh. Oh, same problem. Same problem. So you see there, same problem, right? Yep. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna have to do is just carry one of these, when I go ice fishing. All right, peace out.